Alright guys, this is News Listener by Angelo. Salamat po sa mga manonood at makikinig at if hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe this channel. Okay, so pag-usapan naman natin yung Prime Water kung saan recently pinakita ng Rappler sa Facebook account niya which is very interesting. Pinakita doon nung naging Pangulo si Rodrigo Duterte at naging DPWH tong Secretary si Mark Villar, ay dumami yung kontrata nila sa gobyerno. Can you imagine that? That's clearly a conflict of interest. Diba? So, yun. So, pag-usapan natin yan, guys. At kung natatandaan nyo, recently, ang daming reklamo ng mga concessionaire ng Prime Water. Mabaho, walang tubig, itim yung tubig. Diba? So, I mean, nakakalungkot kasi isipin mo yung mga yung mga nagbabayad ng bills nila, eh, hirap kumuha ng tubig. Tapos minsan wala pa, minsan ang liit pa, 'di ba? Eh, yung tubig, yun ang pinaka-importante sa atin, 'di ba? Kung iisipin mo kung walang kung walang kuryente, okay lang, eh. Pero kung mawala ka ng tubig, imagine anong anong ililigo mo, anong ah, ihugas mo ng pinggan, ano pa, um pagluluto mo, iinom mo. Well, yung tubig before is iniinom ng tao, eh, 'di ba? So, ano 'yan, eh, parang source of life para sa ating mga Pilipino o siyempre sa ibang tao din, 'di ba? O so nakita ng LUA na merong conflict of interest na nangyari dito sa mga kontrata na 'to. So, let's go take a look. So, punta tayo sa baba, okey. So, 'yan. Lua says its priority is to bring water to concerned areas as soon as possible. So imagine from naririnig natin to sa sa news from ano to, yung before ng election. Hanggang ngayon, mukhang ang dami pa ring problema. Okay, so sabi dito on the ongoing investigation of the local Water Utilities Administration or LUA into bad service private concessionaire will cover, or Prime Water will cover, possible conflict of interest of Department of Public Works and Highways. So, yun. Dati naging secretary tong si Mark Villar. Then it says here, Lua has been attached to DPWH since 2011. So, before nung time nila. They oversees the water district nationwide. So, definitely marami. And sabi dito, which enter nearly 100 joint venture agreements with Villar-owned Prime Water, especially during the Duterte administration. So imagine, di ba, ang daming joint agreement noong 2016 hanggang 2021. Ito ay pagmamayari ni no, ni Manuel Paulo ng parte ito ng kanilang kumpanya. Okay? And ito ay iniimbestigahan na hanggang ngayon. Okay, so anyway, ito yung mga so galing sa kay Undersecretary Claire Castro. Okay, tapos ano pa? So let's go down here. Dito yung pinaka uh, magandang tignan. So prime water contracts nationwide 2006. So dito sila nag-umpisa. After 9 years, 7 contracts lang. Noong 2016, 15 contracts. Pagkatapos niyan, in the middle of 2016 to 2017, ito na yung full year na naging DPWH Secretary itong si Mark. Hanggang dumami yung kontrata from 22, 45, 62, 68, hanggang 77 contracts hanggang 2025. Okay? Saan galing yung source? Exactly from the PWIC o Prime Water Prime Water Incorporated. O, di ba? So, sabi dito, during my tenure as a secretary, I did not participate in any capacity or whatsoever. Okay. So, well, sa kanyang ano to eh, di ba? Kapatid. So, I'm pretty sure, i-deny niya din na hindi siya parte nun. Di ba? Okay. I have full faith that my service record in those years would bear witness to focus and commitment. Hmm. Okay. So, medyo tahimik si ano eh, si Mark Villar dun sa traffic, 'di ba? Sabi niya magiging ano na 'yun, how many minutes? Oh, hanggang ngayon ganun pa rin eh. Okay. Anyway, so it says here Rappler has been told by several stakeholders in prime water areas alleged irregularities when the water district entered into contracts. Many of the contracts were not result of public bidding. Yun, walang bidding daw. But unsolicited proposal by Prime Water. Aba, okay. So, okay. Tapos, in areas like San Jose, Bulacan, Camarines Norte, auditors have observed how water districts were doing well but suffered income losses when Prime Water became their joint venture partner. So, mukhang hindi nagbe-benefit yung ano eh, yung taong bayan or yung mga tao doon sa lugar na yun, 'di ba? Okay. Tapos, as with your comment, there are irregularities on the ground that has also addressed in our report, and the people have concern about the put notice should be considered most likely reformed, corrected within the next few days as once we act. Okay. So terminating contracts are so far proving to be difficult. So medyo mahirap para sa kanila i-terminate yung kontrata. Prime Water has been winning in courts. Yun. Okay. As whether termination and compulsation are option that Lua exploration at this point. It's part of our strategy. Termination and compulsion will not bring water. So, ang mangyayari since mukhang siguro sa kanila yung most of water uh, yung ginagamit ng mga tao doon, eh hindi sila basta-bastang nag-ano eh, nag-terminate ng kontrata, 'di ba? Okay, anyway, from the rest, ito na yung stories on the ground. So, yun na yun guys. So, you can check more here in Rappler. So, yun. So, ano sa tingin nyo? 'Di ba? Ang laking conflict of interest to, 'di ba? Nung panahon nila. Okay, so let's take a look on conflict on interest. So, sabi dito, a conflict of interest in government projects arise when a public official, private interest, financial or otherwise, could improperly influence their official duties and decision making. This can lead to biased decision, unfair advantages for certain parties, and ultimately erode public trust. Yon ang nangyari. So, merong conflict of interest kasi kumpanya ng pamilya nila, di ba? Imagine, how can you get a lot of contracts sa gobyerno, tapos okay naman sana kung ano eh. I mean, for me, it's not actually okay kasi conflict. What I mean is, um, uh, may conflict na, meron pang, ano, may conflict of interest na, tapos yung serbisyo mo, ano pa, parang may itim na tubig din. 'Di ba? So yun ano yun, nakakalungkot para sa ating mga ibang kababayan. So hopefully masolve ito and we'll see results soon. Okay, so thank you guys for listening. If you have any comments and suggestions, you can type that in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.